we are on the train from Paris to Brussels. We are making quite a mess on this train, I must say. So what do you have in that bag, Cassie?
Purse? Fizzy? One Direction One Direction wallet. iPod.
How about you?
Oh, 3D glasses. 3D glasses.
3D glasses? Because you...
Wait, I have 3D glasses. You know? No. You're in 3D.
Wait, you're gonna need 3D glasses?
Mom, you're in 3D. Just got touching her.
So, I feel really bad for the people in this car with us right here, but sorry.
You look at Google eyes. Wait.
Hello. We'll see you in Brussels. Stay tuned. Oh, and there's Niall. Bye.